So, hey, Misha.
Hey.
Oh, I'm really worried because I've got a problem. I'm supposed to use these two numbers to multiply.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but
Okay.
I mean, so I guess like the big number on the top and multiply that's multiply, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's a multiplication.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then the 4. I'm just really confused about this.
Okay, there's a little trick that
Okay.
I use. Well, first of all, because it's 4 and 6, those are ones I'm gonna have to like stick in my brain eventually. I'm gonna have to remember them because they're not gonna be easy for me to count them.
Yeah.
So, but to get me started, this is the number that we're going to add, and we're gonna add that number 4 times. Okay. Do you remember that one we had one a while ago with the 5?
That's right. I was drawing the dots.
Yes. Equals.
Okay.
Okay. So there's 2 ways you could do this. You could. Oh, what?
1, 2, 3.
Oh no.
I
We
need
need
to
to fix that. You put one over here,
Okay.
and then that way we 4.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah. Now.
Okay,
yes,
now
it's
I-
one,
now I feel better about it.
2, 3, 4. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So you could count them all, but then that's going to take you like a long time to count them because that's a lot of dots. It took you a long time to put all those dots on there.
Yeah.
Or what you could do is you could sit and tell yourself, okay, 6 plus 6.
It's 12.
Okay, so we have 6 plus 6 is 12, right? 6 plus 6, that's 12, right?
Yes.
Equals 12. And, oh, look, 6 plus 6.
That's 12 again.
Okay, so 6 plus 6 here equals 12. And now we can add these two numbers together.
Okay.
So we have 12 plus 12.
2 plus 2 is 4. And 2.
24. And this number here, 24, 6 times 4 is 24. I'm going to have to like put that in my brain. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. I'm going to have to stick it in my brain because otherwise I'm going to have to do this every time to get the answer.
You
So
know
you have
what?
to stick that in your brain.
I'm also thinking, I think I can count by 6s.
I think so.
I think I can count by 6s. So if I did 6 4 times, 6, 12, 18, 24.
Yes. That would be another way to do it. 6, 12, 18, 24. But again, if I'm trying to do it a little bit quicker, it would be better. It'd be better if I had it in my head. So that's one of the ones. So knowing my 4s and my 6s, those, because 5s are easy. 5, 10, 15, 20. Those are easy to count. But the 4s and the 6s, those are hard.
Yeah.
So I have to
I'm going to
stick those in my
practice
brain.
counting by 6s.
Oh, that
sure.
would be good.
I think that's going to help me.
Yeah, I think so. So
Well,
what do you
thanks
think?
for helping me solve my problem.
I hope we
What
solved
do
it.
you
What
think?
do you think? Do you think we solved it right? All right. Till next time.
Hey, Misha.
Hey,
Are we going to do some more letter stuff?
we're gonna do some more phonogram stuff. Phonograms,
Phonograms.
phono sound, gram written sound, and
Okay.
we've got 4 of them today. Ooh, we have 4.
Ooh. I like that.
Okay. So the first one is double E.
I've seen that in a lot of words.
Yes, it's in a lot of words, and we always say E when it's a double E. So
Yeah.
2 E's always say E. When they're together, they always say E.
Okay. So like the word see?
C, yes, C.
Oh, okay. I can get it.
All right. Or the word meat.
Meat. Yeah,
Meat.
meat.
M-E-E-T. Meat.
Like meat, not meat.
Not like me. No, like
not that meat.
like I'll meet you later.
Yes. Oh, okay. That's good.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So I think
Okay,
that's pretty
double
easy.
E. That's an
always
easy one.
It's always
What
gonna
about
say E.
S-H? Yes. It's really great when they're together. SH. It says shh. And you can test if you're making the sound right by using the back of your hand. And if you say shh, you should.
Oh, yes.
You feel
I never
very
done that
light
before.
air.
Wow.
Very light. Not very strong. So if you're doing it right, you'll feel
So what words is it in?
ship,
Ooh, ship,
shrink.
shrink. Oh, I have one. Shark. Shark. I just love sharks.
Of course,
I just love
shark.
sharks. I just love
Shark.
sharks so much. Shark.
Okay,
Yes.
so
shh. Anytime the S and H together. Shh. All right. All right. The next one, the TH.
Oh,
And-
yeah.
Mhm.
I've seen those in a lot of words.
Now we
Yeah.
say, motors off, motors on. So put your hand here and you say, first one's your motors off, like for thin and think. And then your motor's on, like for they or the, these. So you have to have that motor on. So that's the second sound. So first sound is motor off. Second
And
sound is motor on.
if you put your hand in front of your mouth, you can feel the. And
You sure could.
and
Yes.
there's not as much air
No,
coming
'cause
out.
it's-
It's
yeah.
happening here.
Yes.
So if you put your hand in front of your mouth, you feel a difference in
Yes.
the air pressure coming
Yes.
out of your mouth, huh?
You do. You absolutely
Yeah.
do. So TH, motor on, or motor off and motor on. All right. And our last one today makes 3 sounds. I like this one. I always think of like a train with this one because the ch.
Ah.
Okay. But it doesn't make just one sound. It's ch, k, sh. Ch, sh, sh. Just like a train.
Okay.
Just like a train.
Okay.
So like for chip.
Or chunk.
Or chunk. Okay? And k, like in school. Or schedule. Yeah. There we go. And the sh sound. It's the third sound, like in chef. Or chandelier. It's a long. That word doesn't even fit
Yeah,
on our
I
board
know,
here.
it doesn't.
It's so big. But yes.
We should test our breath.
Oh,
We're saying,
that's
like,
okay.
ch, ch. You feel that
Ooh,
burst of
yes,
air?
yes.
It's like a burst of air. Ch, ch. And then, k, k.
Ooh, I feel it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not as much.
No,
Not as much.
Not very much. So that's like a good test to see if you're saying it right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So-
So those are your phonograms for today. Stay tuned for our next episode.